let's create a section to divide our watch list into different parts. Let's rename the section Stock Indices. Let's add some more indices, Hang Seng. Right click again, add section, drag it down. This one is going to be Forex. Just type USD, go to Forex here. You'll see all the pairs related to USD. Let's start with dollar yen, euro dollar. You're still doing option W here, by the way, adding them on the right. Aussie dollar, and whatever interests you, whatever you trade. You don't need to be trading these, but it's good to follow them and see what's happening when events and news happen. So now we have stock indices, Forex. Let's add another section. Time to add some commodities. Let's start with oil, West Texas Intermediate. Let's add gold, and then silver. Copper is hot these days. We're still adding sections here by right-clicking Add Section, renaming them to what we want to categorize. Let's add some individual stocks. Adding some famous ones, of course, big tech, but you can add what is good for your watch list. You can create more watch lists. We forgot natural gas. Henry Hub natural gas futures is good enough. Finally, let's add some crypto, a good sentiment indicator for risk on, risk off. They trade 24/7 anyway, so we don't need to add futures. Coinbase is good. And now we have Bitcoin and Ethereum on the watch list. By clicking on them or using the cursor up or down, we can quickly shift through all these assets on the watch list. I'm using the cursor now down. And you see how the chart changes easily. We can collapse and expand the sections when we want to focus on a specific section or sections.